Hi, I'm Amelia and today I'm going to show you how to make a honey glazed steak with a delicious aloe side salad. So this steak can be cooked on the hob, but it can also be cooked on a barbecue if you want to enjoy it outdoors. For the steak, you will need 2 sirloin steaks around 250 grams each, 3 tablespoons of Forever bee honey, half a cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a quarter of a cup of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of ketchup, a quarter of a cup of balsamic vinegar, a quarter of a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and salt and pepper to taste. You could also use tofu or aubergine if you prefer a vegetarian option. Add the water, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, balsamic vinegar, tomato sauce, Forever bee honey and chili to a bowl and combine the ingredients. Add your meat to the bowl and let it sit for 2 hours in the fridge, turning occasionally so the meat is marinated. Heat a large frying pan over a medium heat and coat it with cooking spray. Remove the steak from the marinade and reserve the marinade. We'll come back to this in a moment. Season the steak with salt and pepper and then cook for around 10 minutes, turning halfway through. Add the remaining marinade to a small pot over a medium heat and bring to the boil. For the salad, you will need 1 head of romaine lettuce chopped, half a cucumber sliced, 10 cherry tomatoes halved, and 1 carrot grated. And for the dressing, you will need a quarter of a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of English mustard, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of Forever bee honey, and 1 tablespoon of dried basil. Add all the dressing ingredients to a small pot and shake them together until they're smooth. Add the salad ingredients to a bowl, then drizzle your dressing over the top. Serve the steak alongside the salad and drizzle your Forever bee honey glaze over everything. And there we have it, a gorgeous honey glazed steak with an aloe vera side salad, perfect for a great British barbecue.